All right, now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CloudFlare. Now, it's not required, but it's recommended. HighLevel uses it, they recommend it, as well as a lot of other big companies use it. Essentially what it is, the quick and short of it, is you have your domain provider where you manage all your DNS settings of what the domain does. And then you can do that with GoDaddy, with Namecheap. But what CloudFlare does is CloudFlare actually, as you see here, it helps improve security on your site, better control. It even helps improve your site's speed. So when you do this, when you set up CloudFlare, and there's a free plan, so we're going to go ahead and go with that. But then it allows you to manage all your DNS settings from within CloudFlare. If you know what I'm talking about, you'll see here in a second. And also just makes the seamless process a lot easier to connect HighLevel with your domain. What we're going to do here is we're going to sign up for CloudFlare. We're going to just start for free. So you're going to go to cloudflare.com, start for free, start on the free plan. We're going to click add a website. Now what you're going to have to do next is create an account, password manager. Then we'll click sign up. And so now what you're going to do here is you're going to click on add a website or application. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my domain in here. So put whatever your domain is, put it in there, and then we'll click continue. They're going to be brought here, and again, they want to pick a plan. We're just going to start with the free plan. That's fine. That's what I use. And that's all you really need right now. So we'll click continue, and now it's setting it up. And now once you're here, if you already have DNS records from your domain manager, it's going to ask if you want to pull them over, but you would do that. For this domain, I actually don't have any records in there yet. So you'll just click on continue. And so if this pops up, just click on confirm. Now, once you're here, now what you need to do is we need to change the name servers. The name servers are what actually controls the domain. You'll still be with GoDaddy, with Namecheap, Google Domains, but who's going to control the domain is going to be CloudFlare. GoDaddy, Namecheap, they are the legal, the paperwork part of owning the domain. They own it, but yet you will be managing it within CloudFlare. So what we're going to do here is going to have to go to your domain provider. And so I'm going to show you two different ways. I use Namecheap, so I'm going to pull up my Namecheap account right here. What you're going to do is you go to your domain. Once you're in your domain here, you're going to find a section that says name servers. And so down here, we're going to change to custom DNS. And then you might be on basic Namecheap. We're going to go to custom DNS. What we're going to do is, so back in the CloudFlare here, and there's these two name servers here. Click to copy. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to copy the next one, and we're going to paste it in there. Now we'll click on the save. So what it's going to do is going to change the name servers over to CloudFlare. So once you've done that, now we're going back to CloudFlare. Now it's going to take, this takes about 10 minutes or so to go through. So we'll continue with the rest of the setup for now. Click on continue. Now from here, what I do, I'll just walk you through this, get started. I always keep this on, HTTPS rewrites. I'll click on save. Always use HTTPS. I usually turn this on. Click save. This I'll keep on. Not really sure what that is, but it's on. And then we're going to click on finish. So now you're here. And now what it's doing, it's checking the name servers. So you can come down here and you can click check name servers now. It says it's already being checked, which is correct. So now we'll come back and we'll check this later. From within CloudFlare here, now you will manage your DNS from right over here, the DNS settings. This is where all your DNS records are going to show up, and this is where you'll manage them from. Add new ones, remove, whatever else it is. All right, so now that we're here, now we're just waiting for the name servers that we switched over. So we go back to overview. Now this usually takes about 10 minutes or so, and you'll see this page will essentially refresh. You can refresh it every once in a while to see if it's actually updated yet. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'll come back when this is actually here so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll move on to the next video. There, so as you see, I refreshed the page. Now it says, great news, CloudFlare is now protecting your site. So now all your managing of the DNS records are going to be within CloudFlare. And so if we go to DNS, again, this is where you manage your records. And so now I will show in the next video how you connect your domain to HighLevel as well as your email sending domain. So I'll see you there.